Hello everyone, today we are back with another video, and as you can see I'm friends with Original Zeph Plays, but that's not what we're here for today. Today we'll be playing with my brother, Daniel, Daylight Dan, and we're going to be playing some Zombie Rush. Give me a second. Technical difficulties here. Just gotta move this around a bit, sorry guys. Let me leave the game really quick. I just want to make sure this thing. Yeah. I just want to make sure you guys can see everything that's going on. See my life. See. Like yeah. Well, now you can't see that. Let me just shrink this maybe. Yeah, that's better. And shrink this. Yes, that works. Okay, so as I was saying, today we'll be playing some Zombie Rush with my brother.
Wait, are you in the game?
Yes, I'm a zombie. I won't kill you. When you see a normal zombie, don't kill it.
Why?
Because it could be me.
I see lots of normal zombies.
Oh, this one. The one right here. That's me. That's me. Yes,
Yeah.
this one.
This
The
one
one
right
jumping. The one jumping.
Got it.
Okay, don't kill me. I'll be right here blocking the skeleton. Okay, I'm still jumping, by the way. The one that's always jumping is me. Fine.
There we go.
No. You're the last survivor.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Earlier I saw like 10 people.
Oh, wow.
Did they all die?
I'm pretty sure, yeah. Is the laser pistol good?
What is a laser pistol?
Oh, never mind. I'm just gonna use my laser rifle.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Okay, anyways, I'm just gonna go back into the game.
Michelle, what level am I on again?
I don't know, hold on.
I can't check.
This is the one. The one that's jumping. The one that's jumping is me.
This one?
This one.
This
Wait,
one?
shoot me once.
Okay. What are you? This one?
Oh no, sorry.
Okay. Stay
The
here.
one that was on your head.
Okay, I know. Is this one?
Yes. Hey, ow, yes.
How much life do you have?
Half. Exactly half.
Yeah, this gun takes half down.
You're on level 205. This is me. The one
Am I the first one?
The one jumping is me. Ah!
Am I the first
You
one?
killed me. Yes.
Sorry.
Yes, you are.
Who's the second? You?
No. That guy. Whatever. Okay, I'm just gonna go back in. Oh, there's only a few more seconds until. Oh yes, wave. The wave's over. Come on, I'm back in. I'm in.
You want to be a zombie and kill everyone?
No. Okay.
I need backup!
Ooh, I see you. Here, I got some.
I got lots of zombies.
I know. I'm gonna take some down. Oh no.
I told you, there's lots of blood.
So if you guys didn't know, that one right there killing all of these zombies is my brother Daniel, Daylight Dan. And if you guys want to be in our future videos, follow us, friend us. We might accept it. If we don't, feel free to add us to your follow list. So, yeah. So, yeah.
I still have lots of health.
I know I'm not glitching.
I'm
I'm just doing this. Ah! Run. This is wave 8, and it's so hard already. I'm just gonna come to where you are.
I'm on top of logs. Help, I can't get out. I only have 46 life.
I'm 92.
Because I was helping everyone. And everyone died. So, yeah.
Wave 9.
Michelle, follow me. Got it.
Got it. This is my hand weapon.
This is mine. I'm on the last hand weapon.
Ow!
Why are you not following me?
Because I got stuck
Is that okay?
with shift. Okay, I'm coming to where you are. Alright, Daniel, are you being killed by some brute?
Yeah.
Ah!
Michelle, come here.
I'm coming.
Kill some more, please. Come on.
Where did you go? Oh, there you are. Wait, no, that's not you. Oh, there you are. I know, where are you?
And at the place earlier we were protecting.
Oh, you mean that weird greenhouse thing?
Yeah. We shall kill all of the zombies here so we can protect these places again.
Okay.
That means it's actually a good place.
Are
Clear
you?
all of these zombies.
I have 100% life.
I don't. I'm only 28.
Daniel, you and me are the only people in this game right now.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah. That's good.
It's like a private server. There's a brute. Normal brute.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, I protect this side, you protect that side.
Okay.
Why are we the only ones?
Daniel, golden brute behind you! Golden brute behind you!
I can't see. I was typing something.
So if you guys want to see more videos, comment down below.
Help!
Oh no, oh no!
I only have 30.
So as I was saying, comment down below what you guys want to see in our future videos. Comment down some games you would like to see us play too. Cause that's always fun. Awkward moments of silence. Okay, I'm just gonna stop talking to you guys right now because I just want to play the game and not talk. So, yeah. Ooh, game over! So I guess that does wrap up our video for today. If you guys want to see more videos, subscribe, smash that like button, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!